Okay, we're talking about how to make a palm cross. Now I'm showing you here, first thing is the selection of the palm. You see this guy that is all split and dry, and don't do that one. Rather select one like this. You see here? Nice and green, and what you do is you want to cut each end flat, and then you take it like this, and you take the wider section at the top and you split it in two like that. Then you've got two pieces. Then you take this like this, left hand, right hand. So you put right over left, and then you fold, then you fold. Okay, and then you end up exactly where you started. Then you take this one and you tuck it round there. So it's fold, and then you take this guy and you tuck it in there. And once you've done this and you've tightened this guy, this is literally what you're looking for. You've got this guy like this. That's what it is. Then this is the upright. You tuck this in there. See how you're going to make the upright? That's that one like that. And we tuck that back in there like that. Okay, we can just adjust it a little bit. Adjust this a little bit like that. There we go. Then to make the upright, you take this guy and you tuck it in the back. See the back? Tuck it in there. And there's your cross. How's that? Let's do that again. So there's your palm cross. So we take the piece, we take the widest section, we split it in two. There's my left hand, there's my right hand, and we take the right hand and we tuck, or fold, okay? Then we take this one and we wrap it round the back and we put it through here. There we go. Just need to feed it through. Just need to feed this through. Come on, baby. Yeah, you see I left this a little longer and these guys started drying out. Yeah, okay, so what I'm going to do is, give me a sec, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut it with the scissors. So just to make this a little bit easier, because you see it's got a bit messy here, take that and then we tuck it round the back and we put it through. There we go. Now she's going. Feed it through. There we go. You see there, once it feeds through here, that's it. That's literally, once you've done this and you've tightened this guy up, look at it. See there? Once you've got that loop like that and you're tightening it up and it tightens, that's literally what it looks like. You see there? Then you take that one, which is the upright one, I'm tucking it again. So it's left hand, right hand, fold, then you end up with this, and then for the upright we just fold this guy through, and we just adjust the length of the uprights, and we take that. I just tuck it back in here because it just makes it neat. Because remember, this thing's going to dry and you want it to dry nicely. Are those two equal? Pretty close. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to make the upright. The upright. We've done the cross beam. Here's the upright. We push that through the back. See there? Through the back. Turn it over and then you just adjust the length like that. And there's your cross. Done. So remember it. Take nice green sections, not split. Cut them at the top, cut them at the bottom. Take the widest part at the top, open it, tear it in half, left, right, take the right, fold, fold, take the bottom one, fold, fold, round the back, through, done. Thank you. Next.